Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a project into Asana. So when you're ready to import your project, go ahead and click the Add Project button on the left hand side and click a New Project. On the upper right hand side, click on Import. Give your project a name. I'm going to call this one Test. Ensure that you decide whether you want to import it to the workspace, meaning that everyone who is in this workspace can have access to it, or just a select few of private members, right? When you select private members, it's going to only be locked to the members that you will add. Otherwise, you can leave it at, Drew. Otherwise, you can leave it to the project workspace. Now from here, you want to select your project. That could be a PDF document, a Word document, PowerPoint document, whatever. I'm going to see if I have any kind of file here. So let's say my project was good. So let's say my project was going to be this thumbnail here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and click open. And if that's going to be my project, I go ahead and upload it, then go ahead and say continue with Asana AI, right? You can continue with that. And from here, you can go ahead and you can add some comments if you want to. You can go ahead and you can just see basic. You can add some comments if you want to, whatever, then go ahead and click and continue. For the purpose here, I'm going to just quickly select continue and just wait for the AI to do its thing. So as you can see, it's gonna basically come up with some sections, and then once it is done, I'm gonna go ahead and click on create project. So as this is just a test project, I'm just showing you how you can easily go ahead and create a new project by importing whatever document. So this is a cool thing about the AI. It can help you pre-fill some things, whether it's a depending on whatever document you upload. It could even be a PowerPoint presentation or Excel sheet or whatever with some columns or whatever. It can easily go ahead and do it for you. So for the purpose here, you see that it creates something for me, and that's how I easily import a template. And that's how I easily import a project. And that's it, guys.